This brand is made in Mexico by Carrier and the units can be purchased online through HVAC Direct, but the guarantee on the brand is not as good as some of the other brands. The units use R410, a refrigerant which is not as earth-friendly as brands that use R32. The PGS4 model is a basic gas pack with 14 SEER air conditioner that is relatively noisy with a sound rating of 73 decibels and a basic single-stage 81% AFUE gas furnace. The units have a wire grill to protect the condenser coil, which does not actually do much to protect it from hail damage. The units can be slab or roof mounted and feature durable stainless steel heat exchangers, but they use direct spark ignition, which is less reliable than brands that use hot surface ignition. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Premium and Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.